Contract head, 7, 8, 9, you'll never get it out. Right now, please don't delay. Thank you so much, and for all you did. Don't know what to do without you, and will you please stop by to say hi? Really yummy food that you just cooked. If not, take us to your great retirement place. Suggestion 2, do not go. Stay with us so we don't cry. Let's download you, get your info, but it's not the same without you. Will you please remember us if you must go? Supplies are low, our chairs are broken, and the lights go out. We need you here, we need you now. Oh, please come back, don't leave us now. Leave your contact info so we can love you. Supplies are low, our chairs are broken, and the lights